Hello, dear students. I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty God. Before start, I wish to inform, please keep safe your surroundings and stay healthy. Okay, students, let's come to the point to describe today's lessons. Please make your attention to grab the topic smoothly. Lesson 4, Sports Personalities. Read the text on the great Brazilian footballer Pele. Pele is widely regarded as one of the greatest football players of all time. পেলেকে ব্যাপকভাবে বিবেচনা করা হয় সর্বকালের অন্যতম সেরা ফুটবল খেলোয়াড় হিসেবে। In 1999, he was voted Football Player of the Century by the IFFHS। 1999 সালে তিনি IFFHM এর ভোটে শতাব্দীর সেরা ফুটবল খেলোয়াড় হিসেবে বিবেচিত হন। IFFHS stands for International Federation of Football History and Statistics। IFFHS বলতে বোঝায় ইন্টারন্যাশনাল ফেডারেশন অফ ফুটবল হিস্ট্রি অ্যান্ড স্ট্যাটিস্টিক্স। In 1999, the International Olympic Committee IOC named Pele the athlete of the century in his career. He scored more than 1,200 goals. সালে আন্তর্জাতিক অলিম্পিক কমিটি পেলেকে শতাব্দীর ক্রীড়াবিদ ঘোষণা করে। খেলাধুলার জীবনে তিনি 1200টির বেশি গোল অর্জন করেছেন। Thus he has become the top scorer of all time. এভাবে তিনি সর্বকালের সেরা গোল অর্জনকারীতে পরিণত হয়েছেন। In his own country, Brazil, Pele is a national hero. তার নিজ দেশ ব্রাজিলে পেলে একজন জাতীয় নায়ক। People call him the king of football, the king Pele, or simply the king। লোকে তাকে ডাকে ফুটবলের রাজা, রাজা পেলে বা সাধারণভাবে রাজা নামে। He is the all-time leading scorer of the Brazilian national team। ব্রাজিলের জাতীয় দলে তিনি সর্বকালের সেরা গোল অর্জনকারী। He is the only footballer to be a part of 3 World Cup winning squads and the only player in the world to have 3 World Cup winning medals। তিনি একমাত্র ফুটবলার যিনি 3বার বিশ্বকাপ জয়ী দলে অংশ নিয়েছেন এবং 3টি বিশ্বকাপ জয়ের মেডেল পেয়েছেন। True or false? If false, Give the correct information. Number 1. In 1999, Pele was voted Football Player of the Century by IOC. False. Correct answer. In 1999, Pele was voted Football Player of the Century by IFFHS. Number 2. In the same year, Pele was honored as the Athlete of the Country. Correct answer. True. Number 3. He is one of the top scorers in the football world with more than 1000 goals. False. Correct answer. He is one of the top scorers in the football world with more than 1200 goals. Number 4. Pele is an international hero in his country. False. Correct answer. Pele is a national hero in his country. Number 5. He is one of the football players with 3 World Cup winning medals. Correct answer. False. Correct answer. He is the only footballer with 3 World Cup winning medals. Now, read about Maradona, another world famous player, completing the text with the right form of verbs given in the box. You may use a word more than once. Diego Armando Maradona was born in a poor family and spent his childhood in a slum. However, he proved his football talent at the age of 10 only. Now he is considered the greatest football player of all time. He became the FIFA Player of the Century too. He played in 4 FIFA World Cup tournaments in 1982, 1986, 1990 and 1994. In 1986, he captained Argentina and won the World Cup. He was voted the tournament's best player in 1986 and won the Golden Ball. His second goal with England in 1986 was voted the goal of the century. In that match, he dribbled through 6 English players to cross 60 meters, 66 yards. He also won the Golden Ball at the FIFA Under-20 World Cup in 1979. In 1990, Argentina became the runner-up in the World Cup under his captaincy too. This is why Maradona is a living legend not only in Argentina but also in the whole world. Dear students, I hope now you able to understand the passage and true false or Maradona. Okay, let's do some homeworks. Multiple choice questions. Please follow the board book, Unit 7, Lesson 4. Thank you. Thank you for your attention. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thanks a lot.